So give me your circuit. Okay. Now listen. Now we are going to make our circuits and we are going to calculate equivalent resistance or cumulative resistance, whatever. How to calculate cumulative resistance or equivalent resistance? किसी को था कोई doubt तो पूछो, नहीं तो मैं लेके आ रही हूँ. Okay. How to calculate equivalent resistance? Let's start directly from the diagrams. Ninth question of your textbook. Very important. Please pay attention. Okay. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. मतलब हम लोग को पॉइंट कौन सा मान के चलना पड़ेगा? A point and B point. Now everyone pay attention. Between A point and B point, potential difference will remain the same. So ये A point और B point को अगर मैं ऐसे करके पकड़ लूँ, तो ये तीनों एक लाइन में है कि नहीं? These three are together. So these three are in series. And this one we will come to that later. So can I say between point A and point B, can I draw the arrangement like something like this? Can I draw it like this? These three are just drawn in a different manner. So can I draw it together? This is 2, 2, 2. This is 2. So this is going to be what? Wait. Resistance in series is R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is equal to 6 ohm. 6 लिखा तो कोई फायदा नहीं. 0 मार्क्स. Now this becomes 6. So next step पे we will draw. अच्छा ये 3 मार्क्स का प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो ऐसे करके ड्रॉ करना. No. 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 We are not doing mental maths. Can I say this is 6 ohms? And this is 2 ohms. Now these two are between 2 points. But current flow is different or not? यहाँ पे जाके bifurcate हो जाएगा कि नहीं? So this will, these two are resistances are in parallel. So can I say 1 upon resistance in parallel is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. That is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6. That is equal to
4 upon 12.
That is what?
4 upon 6.
So what is RP?
2 upon 3.
4 upon 2 upon 3 नहीं, गलत बोला आपने.
क्या?
So resistance in parallel is going to be 3 by 2 ohm or 1.5 ohm. 1.5 ohm. So what is the resistance between A and B? 1.3 ohm becomes the equivalent resistance or not? So first we resolve.
1.5.
हाँ ये दोनों का एक बार क्या?
1.5
अब 1.3 बोलेगा.
1.5. So can I say अभी A और B पहले पैरेलली इनको सॉल्व कर लिया ना मैंने. ये कितना बना? 1.5 ohm हो गया कि नहीं A और B के बीच में? This is my answer. Did you understand? Now let's take up another one. अरे I will take up those problems a little later. One second. एक बार पूरा सीरीज और ये रिजॉल्व करना सीख जाओ. I am taking 8th problem. 1, 2, 3. These three are in parallel clearly. आप लोग भी करो मेरे साथ. अटक रहे हो तो यहाँ पे देखो बोर्ड. This is 3, 3, 3. This is 5 ohm. If you don't write ohm in the end, you will get 0 marks. So don't bother solving only. Find the equivalent resistance between point A and B. So first let's resolve this section. Can I say this whole section are in parallel to each other? So can I call this resistance in parallel 1? These two are also in parallel to each other. सबसे पहले parallel solve करते हैं, उसके बाद series end में. ठीक है? So can I say this is RP2?
Yes.
So 1 upon RP1 is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. That is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. That is equal to 3 upon 3. That is equal to 1 ohm. So RP is also going to be equal to 1 ohm only, na? So can I say this has now become 1 ohm, 5 ohm and 4 ohm and 6 ohm. Okay, now this is RP2. What is 1 upon RP2? 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. That is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. That is equal to LCM क्या है 4 और 6 का?
12.
12. 24 आपने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
6 plus 4 10 upon 24.
So this is going to be how much? 5 upon 5 double 4 3 plus
10.
3 plus
मैंने इजी बताया था, निकाल लेना चाहिए
5 upon 12. 5 upon 12 में कितना है? 10 upon 12.
10 upon 12.
So that is equal to 5 upon 6. So what is RP2? 6 upon 5 ohm. That is equal to how much? 1.2 ohm. 1.2 ohm हुआ ना? उल्टा करना भूलना मत, नहीं तो मर जाओगे सब. So now what is my final arrangement? A, B, C. This is 1 ohm. This is 5 ohm. This is 1.2 ohm. What is my total resistance between A and B? What is the total? These are in series, na?
7.2.
So resistance in series is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 1.2, that is equal to 7.2 ohm. Final answer, equivalent resistance is how much? 7.2 ohms. Is this clear?
Yes.
2.4 ही है यार.
10 upon 24.
Yes.
So this is how much?
एक लोग का math
This is how much? जल्दी बताओ.
6 plus 2.4 8.4.
अरे यार ये क्या है?
5 upon 12.
5 upon 12.
अरे तो 2.4 हो गया
So
ना.
12 upon 5. Yeah. 12 upon 5 is 2.4. So this is 2.4. So this is how much?
8.4.
Correct है? हाँ 8.4.
देखा.
Okay.
See, my method was better. Cross
Yes.
multiplication.
Then we are doing 10 sum.
अरे तू गलत सम देख रहा है कब से. किधर डायग्राम
8.4 है. Request.
एग्जांपल
Exactly.
तेरी वजह से यार.
Now everyone look at the board. I want a few answers. Now, this is point C and D. First we have to find the resistance between point CD. Then we have to find resistance between point AB. Clear? CD के बीच में ये तीनों resistance series में है या parallel में है? बताओ. Series. So can I say this is something like this? CD. ये क्या होगा? 3 plus 3 plus 3 कितना हो गया? 9 ohm. And this is 3 ohms. And this is also 3 ohms. This is also 3 ohms. Next step. 9 और 3 का सीरीज में सॉल्व करके बताओ कितना होगा? 1/9 plus 1/3. That is how much? 1/9 plus
4/9.
4/9. तो फिर 9/4 हो गया. उल्टा करना है कि नहीं? So this whole becomes how much? 9/4. Now tell me, CD का गायब हो गया अभी, because CD के बीच में भी एक ही पॉइंट रह गया. 9/4 ohm. अभी tell me between A and B, these three are in series or parallel? Series. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 9/4. कैलकुलेट करके बताओ. 2.25 plus 6. नहीं बेटा, 33 कैसे आया? 9 हाँ ठीक है. 9/4 कितना होता है? 2. What you are doing? 9.4 is how much? 2.25 ohms. This is 2.25 ohms or not?
Yes.
2.25 plus 6 is how much? 8.25.
Same.
8.25 ohms आएगा कि नहीं? Is it clear for everyone? हाँ.
One doubt.
पूछो.
ये तीनों सीरीज में रहेगा.
हाँ क्यों नहीं? देख CD पॉइंट के बीच में पहले दो लाइंस थे ना. CD के बीच में पहले ये रेजिस्टेंस था और ये एक था. ये तो हम लोग रिजॉल्व कर लिया. ये 6 9 था और ये 2 जो भी था 3 था. फिर उसके बाद ये दोनों को सॉल्व करके एक ही बन गया ना.
क्या?
You are not answering him. You are getting your doubts solved. अभी CD के बीच में एक ही पॉइंट है ना. CD के बीच में एक ही पॉइंट है ना अभी. तो CD का कोई वैल्यू रहा क्या? ये तो हम लोग AB के बीच में तो एक कंटीन्यूअस सर्किट क्लास कर रहा है. 9/2 किसका बदला करा है? पूरा 9/2 नहीं 8.25 है.
नहीं 9/2 है.
पूरा
पूरा
फुल सर्किट.
4.5.
एक सेकंड.
पहले ये नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते. पहले ये क्योंकि ये दोनों पैरेलल में है. Okay guys, now you are going to do your unsolved section का 13, 16, 19.